Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Josiah here with another video before it gets dark outside, but you know, it's April, so who knows, it might get dark whilst I'm recording this. But anyway, I watched a video recently. It was called I Don't Have a Dream Job, and I saw it and I was like, wow, resonated big time. So I clicked on it and I watched it through and I was like, yeah, she was speaking facts. So there's not much else that I want to add on to it other than, yeah, I feel the same way. It's kind of like, you know, when back in the day, I don't know if you guys will remember this, but YouTube used to have a feature where you could reply to a video with your own video and it would say RE, the original video that you're replying to. I might actually call it that RE, because I was gonna be like, I don't have a dream job either, but I think that's, it's a nicer sentiment, but yeah, it's basically the same thing. But yeah, man, as you guys know, if you guys have been following the channel, I quit my job recently, and you know, it was to be able to pursue things that I'm more interested in, and I have been able to do that in the past few weeks. I've been growing my YouTube channel, as you guys have seen, more frequent podcasts. We have kind of taken a back seat there, but we will do more, don't worry, coming your way soon. And of course, my TikTok as well, which we're on 11K as of the time of recording this, so yeah, it's going pretty decently, I would say. But that being said, the point that the woman touched on in the video kind of hit me. I was like, would you want to be doing this to depend on it? Because like, whilst I'm doing all of these things now, they're great, they're fun, I know that there would be an added pressure if I relied on creating a video so that I could literally put food on my table and be able to afford a house and all the expenses that life throws at us. It would add more anxiety to recording the video and making sure that it has to get a certain amount of views, otherwise then you're not going to be able to eat and your children are there like, Daddy, why don't you just become a banker? I was like, I can't, darling. My soul won't allow for it. So yeah, it is a bit of an interest. It is a bit of an interesting one because yeah, for me personally, I don't think I've ever had a dream job at all. I mean, when I was younger, I used to draw cartoons and stuff, and so people around would be like, oh, don't you want to be a cartoonist when you grow up? And I'd be like, I guess, but that soon faded away. I mean, I like drawing doodles now for fun, but I don't ever want to rely on doing it. Like, I would never want to become a mangaka or anything like that. Like, that's a high level amount of stress, which I don't want in my life. And yeah, the main thing is I don't really dream of labor. That being said, I wouldn't class myself as a lazy person. It's just, I don't have anything right now where I'd be like, oh man, I really want to work as this. Like, I'd like to get involved in projects and, you know, collaborate with people and of course earn some money from doing so, but I don't think there's anything in my head that's like, yeah, I want to do this full time and it'll be great. Like, that's all I want to do. Seeing this video from someone, sorry, I forgot who it is, I'll put the link in the description, helps a lot for me because I've always felt like it was only me that felt like this, because growing up, going to school, I went to a grammar school, so they heavily push, you know, STEM subjects and going through that route. And, you know, that's why I ended up applying to become a chemical engineer when I didn't want to become a chemical engineer, like, do you know what I mean? Like, so yeah, we're still in this same predicament, I guess, now, but I'm glad that it's a lot more open now. And I have noticed that a lot more people are not kind of just sticking with their day job, and I've actually spoke to a lot of people that have quit uni and have quit their job, and unfortunately it's not like we all know where we want to be now, but hopefully they're taking steps to finding out where it is that they do want to be. But I would highly suggest you guys check out the original video. It was really good and thought-provoking, which of course is what I like to do on this channel, but I don't think I could put anything that she said better than how she said it. So yeah, just gonna do a little bit of a service like that, do you know what I mean? Like, that's what we do over here, bro. I don't need to waffle too much unnecessarily, as my fitness is waffle anyway. But yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned for more videos. I've actually got some in the works, some need editing, but I wanted to record this one now off the back of that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, please give me a like and that. Stay tuned for more and watch some of my older videos. Comment down below, let me guys know if you actually have a dream job, because I'd actually like to hear if anyone genuinely has any dream jobs. Like when we were kids, I want to be a nurse, I want to be a firefighter. Like, has that stuck with you since day, or have you recently discovered a dream job that you actually want to do? But yeah, other than that, subscribe for my videos, innit? And that, like, yeah, I'll see you guys later.